regarding item G1, request for the compliance of release under RA 10389 in relation for the motion to be released on recognizance of Mr. John Ray P. Abeto. Everyone was given a copy of this committee report. Allow me to discuss the salient features. Based on the motion filed by the Public Attorney's Office and the certifications presented, the accused in criminal case number 23-88917 for qualified trafficking pleaded guilty to a lesser offense under Section 10 of Republic Act number 10364, amending Section 7 of RA 9208, and was sentenced to indeterminate prison term for 6 years and ordered to pay a fine of 500,000. Similarly, Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen, in criminal case number 2388918 for child prostitute, he pleaded guilty to violation of Section 10, Paragraph A of RA 7610 and was sentenced to 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day of prison correctional minimum to 6 years, prison correctional maximum, and directed to pay civil indemnity amounting to 30,000 pesos to private complainant. There is proof that the accused is a bona fide resident of Barangay Kalumpang, Molo, Iloilo City, holds good moral standing in his community, and has strong family and community support. The two responsible residents and Barangay Kagawad, namely Anelito Galban and Alberto Hunayan. Oh, Gabriel. On the way? Anyway, executed affidavits of recognizance undertaking to accept full custody and supervision of the accused and to ensure his appearance before the courts and probation office, recognizing potential sanctions for failure to comply. The committee determined that the accused has fully cooperated with lawful processes, voluntarily pleaded guilty, has no history of evasion or risk of flight, and has expressed willingness to submit to rehabilitation through probation. Furthermore, Madam Chair, the recognizance custodian's formal commitment to ensure his continued availability to the court and probation office satisfies the custodial safeguard contemplated under Republic Act number 10389. Recommendation. In view of the foregoing, factual findings and legal justification, and consistent with the policy direction established under Republic Act number 10389 to promote equitable and community-supported rehabilitation for persons undergoing judicial evaluation for probation, it is respectfully recommended to pass a resolution interposing no objection for release on recognizance of Mr. John Ray P. Abeto. I move to adopt this committee report. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, committee report is adopted.
Corollary, Your Honor, I move to pass a resolution interposing no objection to the motion for release and recognizance of Mr. John Ray Abeto, E. Pasinabo, accused in criminal case numbers 2388917 and 2388918 before the Regional Trial Court, Branch 27, Iloilo City, and recommending Honorable Analito Gilyangarin Galban and Honorable Alberto Nedix Huyanan, both Barangay Kagawad o Barangay Kalumpang, Molo, Iloilo City, as recognizance custodians pursuant to Republic Act number 10389, otherwise known as Recognizance Act of 2012. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and duly seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Madam Chair, I move to suspend House rules.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
May invite